Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have something different to share with you, and this is a portable, foldable scooter from Java. This scooter actually fits in the front trunk of my Tesla Model Y or Model 3, and I can just open it up like this and take it for the ride. So in today's video, I'll show you what comes in the box and see how you can fold it and put it in the front of my Model Y. And then at the end of the video, I'll share with you how fun it is to ride this scooter from Java. Now let's go. Let's see what comes in the box of this folding electric scooter from Java. Here what came in the box. Let's take a closer look. So this is the actual scooter itself. Is really compact. As you can see, you can fold it down and it actually fits in the front trunk or frunk of Model Y and Model 3. I'll show that later in the video. So it came with the scooter itself and two different charging cable. This one, you can charge the scooter with your car either in the center console, in the front center console, or in the rear trunk of Model Y. But the center console, you can charge both Model Y and Model 3, and you also have the regular AC charging adapter. You can plug it in your house, and the instruction manual. Let me unfold the scooter real quick and see what it looks like. First, you have to unfold the handle first. Then lift the scooter up and then unfold the bottom part right here. So this is the floor of the scooter. Then push the button right here. So just press the button, then unlocked. Then the floor locked. Now you can unfold the handle up. Then you can open up the stand. Now we can adjust the handle heights. Lock it back in. Here's the foldable scooter from Java. This is the awesome electric scooter. As you can see, it's really easy to fold and unfold. It's really compact when you fold it down. Now, let me show you the overall look of the scooter and then we'll come back with all the specs. Scooter looks really cool, especially that front LED headlights you can see. So there's like LCD display on the scooter, and you can control turn on and off the light right here. Turn off. There you go. And to turn on and off the display, just hold down the off on buttons and turn off. Hold down again, and then it will turn on. And you can adjust the drive function with this button right here. So press 1, this is the medium or regular speed. Press again, that's sport mode. Press again, that's the slowest mode. I think they call it pedestrian mode. So for safety, when there's a lot of people around, just use the regular pedestrian mode. And of course, on and off the front LED light. And you also have the electric one. Very cool. So you can adjust everything. It shows the speed up here. I tried to figure out how to change from kilometer an hour to miles. I can't figure that out yet. We'll have to find out. And it also has these really compact and secure handles, really comfortable grip handle. And when you fold it down, let me show you. So you just unlock the grip and you can fold it like this. Now you can use your security bike change, smaller size bike change, and then lock down the handles so no one can ride it. They could ride, but they probably have to go ride this way. And yeah, that's how you lock the electric scooter. Now you just fold back, lock the grip, and it also has this removable, this is 230 watt size battery, and you can ride up to about 15 miles per charge, and it's removable too. So you can just lift this, and there's like an unlock spot right here, and you can plug in your charging cable, push to unlock the battery, and then lift it up and then out. Now you can just charge the battery inside of your house. When it's fully charged, just put it back in on your scooter, locked, and that's it. That's how you remove and charge your battery. The scooter also has this really nice grip floor, just like skateboard style grip on the scooter, so you can have a good grip on your shoes while you ride a scooter. It looks really cool. Now let's go and test it out. First, let me try to fit it in the front of my Model Y first. Before we go test it out, let me show you where you can get the scooter. You can get the scooter from Jawwow or jawwow-live.com. As you can see here, this is the scooter from Jawwow. Jawwow not only offer this cool electric scooter, they also have a lot of Tesla accessories, like the accessories for Tesla Model 3, floor mat, and other stuff. They also offer accessories for Tesla Model Y too. So many options for their Tesla accessories. They have really high quality products for Tesla accessories. So if you are interested in this folding electric scooter from Jawwow, you can use my special discount code TC for extra discount. Now let's go and test it out. Now let's try to fold the scooter and then fit it in the front trunk of my Tesla Model Y. So fold it, just really simple. Push this down, as I showed you before, and then this one comes in, and then this one folds down all the way down. Move this one out, and when you pop this one will fold, and that's it. See, really easy to fold. Now let's put it in. As you can see, it perfectly fit, and with more space in the front of my Model Y. Don't worry about the trunk, it'll fit for sure in the trunk, but then in the front, you can see, or if I put it vertical like this, I can actually put two of them all together in the front trunk. It's really cool too. Alright, now let's take it out and then go test it out. Now let's go test it out. Alright, let's go test it out. So you have to kick the scooter to move first. So as soon as the scooter moves forward, then you press this accelerator on the right. So the left side is the brake. Accelerator on the right. Not super fast, but you can change the speed using this button right here. So this one's slower, I guess. Let me see. So this is the fastest, actually. So I'm going uphill a little bit here. So pressing this button right here to change different speed mode. Let's try. So as you can see, when you hold the accelerator for a few seconds, then it goes on cruise control. I'm not holding on accelerator at all. I just go on by itself with that speed. Or I press again, then that will stop. The cruise control will stop. Now I press and hold again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. You hear the beep. You will hear the beep and then it will just go on cruise control. Or you can just basically brake and then the cruise control will stop. The brake is pretty strong, stronger than I thought. So going downhill, let's try the full send, full speed. It's pretty good. I would say top speed about 12 miles an hour. Not that fast because it has small wheels, really low platform, not a big scooter. I have to actually bend down a little so you can see this view. It's on the cruise control again. So I wish the scooter is a little higher. I wish it could be adjusted a little higher for adult. I'm not the tallest guy, I'm only 5'10". So anybody taller, it's gonna be really hard to ride this one. It will be great for the kids because you can kind of adjust it to be lower. You can see, try test it, the brake right here, really strong, a lot stronger than I thought. So it brakes on the front wheel, so you have to be really careful when you drive or when you ride fast and try to brake quick, because braking on the front wheels will just, you know, make you flip when it's coming too hot. It's fun though, it's fun little scooter. Let me try. This is the slowest speed or slowest mode. It's really slow. So I'm on the cruise control again. I'm on a pretty much flat surface right in front of my house. It's super slow. So let me brake. So that stop. Go on the medium accelerator, medium speed. So yes, as long as you hold for 5 seconds, then it's on the cruise control. I think medium is still pretty slow. It's good for the kids though. So you have that slow speed. I would just ride on the, you know, the fastest mode probably all the time. It's fun little scooter. It's easy to control. It's really sturdy, actually. A lot sturdier than I thought. Remember, this is the foldable one, so you can fold to be a super compact size. So stop, brake, turn, slow down, full send. For sure it needs a little more speed, maybe a bigger wheels. So I mean, bigger wheels can still make it pretty compact if you could fold the same way this one does. But yeah, this is fun little scooter. So just, you know, press on the accelerator and then we'll stop that cruise control. Fun little ride. Okay, go up. Cool. As you can see, a foldable scooter from Jawa. It's fun little scooter that I can take it anywhere because it fits perfectly in the front of my Tesla Model Y, and I can take it anywhere I want to go. I can ride it, or even my daughter can ride the scooter too. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about this scooter. I wish the wheels are a little bigger than this, so it go a little faster, or the motor it's a little bit stronger. Otherwise, I love the design. Looks really cool. I love the portable part of the battery that can just remove it and then charge it outside or inside the house. And yeah, I'll make sure to put the link in the description down below and special discount code for you too. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video. Make sure to click like if you like the video. Make sure to subscribe for more awesome contents like this. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.